Figure me out. Find me. Okay, is that better? Okay, finally. Oh, good Lord, that was awkward. I was like, that's me. Can you see me? Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and I'm really blurry right now. Stop it. Figure me out. Find me. Okay, is that better? Okay, finally. Oh, good Lord, that was awkward. I was like, that's me. Can you see me? Today's video that I have for you, it is day 4 of January 2020 box week, and today we're going to be opening up the Allure Beauty Box. And if you're watching this and you're brand new to my YouTube channel and you want to be a part of my YouTube family, just click subscribe. Just do it. That's it. That's all you need to know. Just click subscribe. Don't worry about anything else. Don't read any disclosures. Just click subscribe. Just click it. Alright, also, if you're watching this video at any point you're like, wow, I want to get that subscription box for myself, there's a referral code in the description box. Click it. Try it out. This is Allure Beauty. This is a $15 per month subscription box. Allure we've had like a roller coaster ride with, so I'm interested to see what happens this month. So last year they did like this whole like rebranding of Allure at the beginning of the year, and it was like phenomenal. Like for like 8 months it was like the most bomb box ever. We were like, wow, we can't believe it. And then it got a little weird for a couple months, and then they ended the year with like a bang. Like they ended the year with like an incredible, huge, amazing box that was partnered with the creator of Anastasia Beverly Hills. So it was like, I don't know what's going to happen this year. I'm interested to just buckle up and see what Allure does. That's about all I'm going to say. And then we also have the box here for the stockpile giveaway, which is basically full, which I will be posting a video at the end of this week about how you can win that box, like enter to win it yourself. Okay. So on the top we have this little booklet, which inside is going to explain all the products that we're going to get inside the box, how to use them, all that kind of cool stuff. Alright, so right on the top here we have Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. Yay! So last night I got mascara and then I'm getting mascara again. So I don't know if I think I talked about this like a long time ago, but first of all I told you guys last night I needed mascara, but I don't know if I've ever talked recently about the fact that I always use 2 mascaras when I do my mascara. So whenever I do my eye makeup in the morning, I always use 2 different types of mascara. And so I'm very excited to get another mascara tonight because I needed 2 new mascaras, which I know is you probably have a lot of questions like, why do you use 2 mascaras? And I suppose if I ever actually sit down and film a makeup tutorial, which you guys ask me to do, but I suck at sitting down and doing, you'd probably understand why. But we got this one from Tarte, and it's in a wooden little case, and look at the spoolie. This will be really good for widening and extending my lashes. So I'm excited. I needed more mascara. This is a very exciting night for me. Alright, next item that we have in here is Kate Somerville. Ooh, Exfoliate. Intensive exfoliating treatment. I have not used this stuff in a really long time, Exfoliate, and I actually was recently thinking about it. Like I was like, I actually kind of want to try that again, but I don't totally remember how much I liked it, and I don't want to like buy it. You know what I mean? How you're like, the full price is expensive, and you're like, I don't know if I want to buy it in case I don't really remember how much I loved it. So this is the Exfoliate. This is a really good exfoliator. So I believe it's green. Trying to smell it. It has a really strong minty smell. It's like actually got the little, oh shoot, I dropped the cover. I'll get that later. It's got the little like protective seal in it, but you can smell it through that. That's how like fresh and invigorating it smells. Just put it out there. Next thing we have is Perfect Shine Oil Mist Color and Heat Protectant from Nature Lab Tokyo. I can't talk. That was super awkward. But this is cool. I'm excited to try this. I actually needed hair oil. I feel like the subscription box this week, we're like, Drew, girl, we got you. We know what you need. You need mascara. You need some Exfoliate. You need that sleeping cream from Glow Recipe. You need hair oil. You need hair oil. You know you need hair oil. So this, I'm just gonna see like what it looks like, how it like sprays out, like how thick it looks. Okay, it's a mist. Like no smell to it. We'll just spray a tiny bit in my hair. Hopefully it doesn't like make it look like gross because my hair is gonna need to be washed soon. Oh, it has a smell now. What's up with that? I sprayed it and there was no smell, and now I smell it. Not a bad smell. It has a smell. But I'm excited to try it out like officially when I'm doing my hair like for real and see how I like it. Next item that we have is Renewed Hope in a Jar Philosophy Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. So water cream. So this is a Philosophy, like it's kind of like a smaller sample of moisturizer, but I'm going to put this in the stockpile giveaway. I just got a new moisturizer over Christmas, and I've tried the Philosophy one before. Next we have Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum. Age Defying Deep Hydration, firmer, brighter, and hydrated. It won Cosmoprof Awards, or finalist, didn't win. I don't know if it won. But it was a finalist in 2018. I'm going to read about that actually in the booklet. And then the final item is Allure Pure Skin Lip Restoration. I am loving that I'm getting all these like lip restoring items because my lips, I tell you what, I feel like you can't love your lips enough in the wintertime. Do you know what I mean? First of all, I like the container. It's really cute, little red circle pod. And it's got this like dark yellow putty inside. So what I'm gonna do now is the thing I said I was gonna do, and actually like pull out the booklet and see just the stuff that I'm not sure about to kind of give a little more info on that. So we know about that. You know about that. It's like the stuff that I told you I knew about. Alright, the Allure Pure Lip Restoration. And basically, this is actually $30. And basically it talks about when you have like cold weather, this is one of the few ways to actually help make your cracked lips look better. It's like a thick ointment. And it's got almond and castor seed oil. And they also has beeswax locks in and beeswax in it. I'm reading it and I'm not saying it right. Also has light citrus smell, and you just dub it on the rough patches and it keeps your lips from cracking. Okay, alright, and then the Dual Drop Serum. Okay, so let's read about that. So basically it's really good for dewy skin. So we're going to put that into the stockpile giveaway because I believe I just got, didn't I just get serum last night? Or no, I got serum a couple nights ago in the Ipsy box. I can remember things. I feel like I'm being really awkward right now, and I'm sorry about that. Also, I wanted to point out that the hair oil that they gave us, if you were to buy the full size, it's like $16. So that's actually not a bad price if you end up liking it. So to recap, we got the Perfect Shine Oil Mist for hair, which I'm excited to try that because I feel like in this weather, hair just gets a little dicey. We got the Exfoliate Kate Somerville facial scrub. We got the Renewed Hope in a Jar from Philosophy sample, which I'm putting into the stockpile giveaway. We got the Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum, which I'm putting in the stockpile giveaway as well. We got the full-size Tarte Mascara in Gifted, and the Allure Skin Pure Lip Restoration lip product. So overall, I feel like it's a good box. I feel like it's good. I feel like the fact we got like full-size products in there, as well as like good-size samples, makes it worth it for me. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you are part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5 of Box Week. I talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. If I should keep this or maybe like give it to somebody with like a similar skin tone, I feel like it puts in the giveaway. It's gonna be kind of weird because like we don't know what the skin tone of the person who wins the giveaway is gonna be. So we'll just